Welcome back to Charisco Crypto. Welcome, guys. Let's discuss. Guys, the crypto market is getting absolutely decimated right now. So, which is the market is actually not good. So, it's not a good time to be in crypto. Not just crypto. It's not a good time to be in the crypto market right now. So, not just Bitcoin. So, let's discuss Bitcoin. Let's discuss crypto. So let's see what is happening in the crazy world of crypto, guys. So the market is down. During my live stream yesterday, Bitcoin, we saw Bitcoin went up to about $88,000 yesterday. Bitcoin was trading above $87,000 yesterday during my live stream. So before this liberation finally dropped, which President Trump, they finally announced this tariff that is still going around the world. This world trade, so which is crazy, guys. It's not a good time to be in the crypto market right now. But the reality is that so in a long run, so for sure something good is coming. You all know Bitcoin goes nowhere. So the market is like, as you can see, Bitcoin is trading at $52,000. So we even fell down to like about 81,500 just a few hours ago. So the market is down. So people, without wasting so much time, let's dive in. So let's discuss Bitcoin. And mostly, even if the stock market, so the stock markets are down, not just Bitcoin that is down. So Bitcoin is down and the stock markets are also down. So as you can see here, even if Ethereum, it's crazy, man. Ethereum is trading between about 1,007, man, which is crazy. So Ethereum jumped back down to like about 1,007. Bitcoin, let me refresh the market, man. Like, so let me refresh the CMC. Yeah. So and the SRP is trading at $2. BNP is trading between $586, which is still not bad. Solana drove back down to like about $140. That's the market is down. So first, let's see. Let me head up to my S account. As you can see it over here with this headline, not just a Bitcoin that is down. The U.S. stock market is about $1.65 trillion, $1.65 trillion that went out from the U.S. stock market just between the last 48 hours, which is crazy, guys. So you can see with this headline from Watch Below, over $1.65 trillion went out from U.S. stock market, which is crazy. Just like as the market just opened the market just opened in just about a few hours ago, and now about people have already sold about $1.65 trillion, which is crazy. So we show that not just Bitcoin that is down, where this tariff that is going around the world is crazy, and it's even going harder than expected. That is because so before now, President Trump already implemented tariff in China. So now they add the additional tariff to them too. So we take their total tariff to about the China tariff now is about between about a 54% increase, which is crazy. Imagine, for example, most of the we'll be going through the headlines. Most of the product that is being used, even if in the US, they are being produced in China and Taiwan. Now they implement a 54% tariff in them, which show that the price will be going up at least between about 50%. So, which is crazy. It will be affecting the Europe too, not just China. So it will be affecting the Europe. So they already implemented to some other countries. So we should be seeing through those headlines. As you can see it here, with this headline, Bitcoin's near death close. So Bitcoin near death close just because of this tariff, which President Trump implemented in China, not just China, Europe, even if Canada, Mexico. So which will be going through those tariff, which is crazy, guys. So the crypto market is is absolutely not doing well right now, as you can see. So it's not a good time to trade. So just like as I always say, if you are trading, at least try your best not to use try your best not to trade with a high average, which is not good because the markets are not doing great right now. Not just Bitcoin, as you can see with those headlines. So not just Bitcoin. So even if the stock markets are down, as you can see, so which show that at least if you are a trader, you have to be careful right now. So here is where the Apple's market is produced. So guys, what you need to know is that just like as I was saying just now, what you need to know is that most of the products that are being produced, like for example, iPhone. So those Apple products, most of them have been produced in China. So make sure that for them to exporting those goods to the US, right, and they have to pay about 50 to 54% in tariff. So which is absolutely not good. So that is why most of the markets are selling up. So a lot of people will be thinking, okay, even if when people like Marcus are still buying Bitcoin, so why the market see that? This is because the sellers right now, so there are more than the buyers. So, like for example, those big boys when they are going, they are using OTC, but the people who are scared and who are afraid right now, so where are they selling? They are using an open question. So the seller in the open question right now, so there are more than the buyer. That is why the market dropped down, not just Bitcoin. So with the stock market, the US stock market, over about $1.65 trillion that have been whipped out in the past few hours. So which is crazy, guys. So not just Bitcoin. So Trump supposed even 10% tariff with all countries reciprocal levels, which is crazy. So not just the China and Canada and not just Canada and Mexico. There are a lot of countries, even if according to as you can see here, so it's the whole country with 10%, but it's just that China, their tariff been so high, we talk to like almost about 4%, which is absolutely crazy, guys. So crypto is here to stay. Well, let's just go through some of the headlines and see. Dow drops about 1,400 points, which is crazy. SRP 500, SP 500 loses about 4% and stop. As you can see, even in the stock market, so they are down, even if Dow is down, S&P 500 is down. So we show that not just Bitcoin that is down. Bitcoin still remains one of the strongest assets that is existing on this planet right now in the history of mankind. So Bitcoin has been one of the best performing assets in the past few years, which it will still remain one of the best performing assets. So in short term, yes, the market may be down for now. A lot of people are still saying that from Twitter that the market will be going on from between June, July. But okay, so we hope so. But even if not, so at least in the shorter term, so the market may be down for now. But in a long run, so Bitcoin will be at least the market will be going up. So you don't have to keep this year dollar cost average into your portfolio for now. So when the market is because the market is still down for now. So keep this year dollar cost average so you'll be able to accumulate more Bitcoin and crypto. As you can see here with this headline, European stocks first about 2.3% as sectors opens after Trump's tariff, which is crazy. So just like as we are still saying, so most of the headlines today all around they are saying about Trump tariff that is going around the world. Trump is trying to protect his country, which we all know, and it's really affecting all the tech market, the stock market, so which is crazy. So in a long run, so Bitcoin and crypto, we all know that we still remain the best performing assets. So all you just need to do is to keep this year dollar cost average into your portfolio. So we will be able to achieve financial freedom together. But always try to make sure you have some cash on your side. Just like as I say, so I always say, even if yesterday during my live stream, when Bitcoin was trading at 80, almost about $88,000, when Bitcoin was trading at $87,000, I say, if you are in profit, try to make sure you take profit. But if you are not in profit, keep holding the one you are already holding. It's very, very important. Keep holding the one you already bought. So keep holding. So don't say in loss. So imagine, for example, you bought a Bitcoin at $100 and something $1,000. Even if Bitcoin is still trading at $82,000 right now, so you never lose until you sell. If Bitcoin is equals to 1 Bitcoin. So tomorrow, if Bitcoin came back up to like come back up above $100,000, so you still have your Bitcoin there. So let's see here. So guys, we still have some good news in the crypto space. It's just that the bad news right now, so there are more than the good news. So as you can see here, with this headline, Jack Dorsey said that so the Square crypto payment is coming. So the Jack Dorsey, which is the former CEO of Twitter and the founder of Twitter, so they have been working on their new project, which is called Square. He said that the Bitcoin payment for Square, so he said it's coming, it's on its way. So they are working on it. So we show that those big brands, why do you think that they are working on with those spending a huge amount of millions upon millions to work on those those tech to make sure that they provide a crypto payment. That is because they know that the future of payment is going into crypto. And as you also can say, even if MasterCard, now they are working so hard, at least to integrate with crypto payment. If you are using BYBIT right now, so you don't even need to withdraw fiat to your bank. All you just need to do, once you hold the Bitcoin or USDC, USDT there, so all you just need to do is to request for a MasterCard or Visa. So whenever you make a purchase, so they will debit you from your wallet, equivalent to how much you spend. Even if MetaMask, I showed it to you guys about a few days ago when MetaMask just now they just MetaMask just still signed a deal with MetaMask just signed a deal with MasterCard and Visa to provide a crypto payment. So which is good for the market. So what you just need to do is to keep this year to make sure that we have achieved this financial freedom together. Ripple merge rollers into payments platform to expand the utility. Guys, so the crypto payment is not just the big banks are working so hard to implement a crypto payment. So I've showed you guys multiple times that show that the big boys are not giving up. So Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. New record for Bitcoin's dominance. Guys, the Bitcoin dominance is still going up. That is because right now, when the market is down like this, what happens is that whenever the market is down, the big boys, whenever the market is down, the big boys who does not want to go out from the market entirely, what they do is that they take profit from their altcoin, so and add it to, they take profit from their altcoin and take it and add it to Bitcoin. Let's quickly see the Bitcoin dominance. So you can see, even if the fear and greed index is back down to about 24 again. It's between 30 yesterday. So now people are fearful once again. So let's check the Bitcoin dominance. So you can see the Bitcoin dominance is between 62. So and Ethereum holding about 8.2% of the total market share. When the altcoin holding is still holding about 29.7% of the total market share. Yeah, good evening, guys. How are you all doing? I hope you guys are good. Okay, miraculous. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. If you have any question, drop it on the chat. So, guys, yeah, I do send the NFT and some crypto to the top. Not everyone that will receive a crypto, because most of you guys who are the top fans over here, so which I always see every time. Most of you guys receive NFT and crypto too. So the one which I don't usually say, I send NFTs to everyone because that particular NFTs, I bought them about a few years back, and I was holding a huge amount of them. So I decided to share with you guys. So we hope that, and we are speaking about that NFT, guys. So at the end of this stream, I will explain it to you guys better what that NFT was doing in the crypto space few years ago. That is now most of the NFTs, they are not performing good because the market is down. This particular NFT, I will explain better at the end of the show. So as you can see, the Bitcoin dominance, so it's between 62%, 62.1%, which is crazy. It shows that the total crypto market right now, Bitcoin share is between 62.1%. The share of the Bitcoin is holding the share of the total share is holding right now is between 62.1%. When Ethereum share is between 8.2%. When the altcoin are holding 29.7% of the market. So we show that the market right now, this is why I always say try to make sure you hold Bitcoin in your portfolio. That, as you can see, why is the Bitcoin share is still going up? Because a lot of people believe so much in Bitcoin. So now, even if Bitcoin is down with 5%, you can see S&P is down with almost about 8%. When Ethereum is down with about 6%. So if you go down to Solana is down with about 12%. So whenever the market dip back down, and the altcoin, they dip back down more. Bitcoin still down from all-time high with about 30%. When the Solana is already down with about 70% from its all-time high. That's because January, yes, Solana was still trading at $296. Today, Solana is trading at $114. So at least try to make sure you always hold Bitcoin. It's very, very important. So this is as you can see, this is what I was showing you just now. So the new record for Bitcoin dominance. So the Bitcoin dominance is still going up because the big boys are taking profit, adding their profit to Bitcoin. So because they don't need to buy from the market entirely. So let's see, as you can see with this other headline over here. So Bitcoin hash rate hits a record high. So guys, Bitcoin is that asset that don't go with his hash rate. So as you can see, even if the price of Bitcoin is down, but the hash rate is still up with just hit an all-time high. So this means that the miners who are powering they are powering the Bitcoin chain. So the miners, they are still here. So they are doubling their miner. They keep buying more machines to power Bitcoin network. That shows that Bitcoin goes nowhere. So the people who are powering the network, they keep buying more machines to power the network. So now, as you can see, the Bitcoin hash rate just hit all-time high. So which is crazy. So even if the price is down, so like for example, the small miners they may be selling right now. So the small miners they may be selling because at least if the market dip down, even if the Bitcoin dip down to like 50,000 or 20,000, the miners would be selling because most of them they will be in profit. So now, as you can see, even if as we are trading at $82,000, so the Bitcoin's hash rate just hit all-time high, which show that more miners are coming into the space. That's it, because even if the son of President Trump, which is Eric Trump, he said a few days ago they are working with a company like that to establish more mining machine in the US. So the miners are still here. So more people are coming into this space, even if when the price is down. So the price is down because the sellers are more than the buyers. But that does not mean that the big boys are not buying. When the big boys are buying, they are not buying from the open market. So they use a OTC market, OP to PIN. Don't forget, always smash the like and press the subscribe button. So I turn on the notification bell so that each time that I'm live, you will get notified. So a little bit of, let me, yeah, greetings, guys. How are you all doing? Yeah, I will be doing some. I will be doing a little bit of Q&A at the end of the stream so we can discuss better. So just right now we'll be doing that. So guys, the market is slightly down. It's not a good time in the crypto space just right now. Not just Bitcoin. The crypto market is down. So in the short term, so the market may be trading sideways in the next few months, but at least in a long run, so in the next between end of the year, the market may be coming back up. But if we follow, if history is on our side, so at least the market should have been going down between the end of the year. So at least we'll be able to DCA more into our portfolio. So let's see, now the big boys are in this space. So, and people like BlackRock and Fidelity, so they keep buying in order for them to offer spot Bitcoin ETF to their clients. They need to buy more Bitcoin. So which show that at least, so the big boys are still in this space. And the US, as you all know, they just added Bitcoin to their reserve. So which they will keep buying. Michael Saylor, which is the CEO of strategy, so is the guy that believes so much in Bitcoin that keep buying billions upon billions worth of Bitcoin every single week, every single month. So you keep buying. So those guys go nowhere. And you guys just see the headline just now that show that Jack Dorsey, which is the former CEO of Twitter, that they are rolling out crypto payment through their Square, which they have been working on in the past few years. That is because those big boys, they know something that which we did not know. So they knew a lot of things about to come out. Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. So what we just need to do is to keep this here. Yeah. Let's do Q&A. Yeah, Miraculous, how are you? I hope you are good. Okay. You receive the crypto and NFT. I mean, you are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. Miraculous. Sita, evening. I hope you do receive the NFTs too. You are welcome. You are welcome. Favor, how are you doing? Yeah, dollar cost average into the crypto space. So the truth is that, for example, particular NFT, which is a lawyer called, so between 2022 or 2023, I believe that was when I got those NFTs. What happened back then is that, so for one thing, that lawyer called NFT back then. So if you are holding in your portfolio back then, even if you do nothing, so you guys, you know, a lot of people that are coming into the crypto space right now, they don't know what those NFTs, they don't know the value of NFTs, they don't know the usage of NFTs. For example, like that lawyer called NFT that at that time. So if you are holding on your portfolio in your portfolio, so the people will be trading that particular NFT. A lot of people will be selling, buying and selling, flipping the NFTs. So what happened back then is that the team, so once at every end of the month, so the team, you all know that the loyalty, so of all those NFT usually come with a loyalty. So when you are trading, you have to pay about 10% to the team who created the NFT. So what those guys was doing back then is that, so once that particular NFT, so once they trade at the end of the month, so they will 50% of the profit, they will send it as Solana to all the holders, people who did not trade their own. So that was what was happening back then. So back then, a few years back, so once if we happen to be at the end of the month, so they will distribute at least about 50% of the profit to the team, to the people who was holding that particular NFTs. Yeah, the loyalty. So the loyalty, let's say for example, the loyalty after the trade every month. So if the loyalty worth about $10,000, so they have to distribute. They will use 50% of it, like $5,000, to buy Solana and automatically distribute it to the holders, people who did not trade their NFTs back then. You know that now NFTs are down, the crypto market is down, so these things are not happening in the crypto space for now. So that was what that was the value of that particular NFT back then. So, so since I noticed that those things was going on, I decided to buy more. So that was why I was holding a huge amount of them. So It happened to be that now the market is down, so and the team not doing such thing, which we all know that we hope that the NFTs come back up again. So now the market is down and NFTs are down, not just Solana NFTs, even if the OpenSea NFTs. So NFTs are down for now. So NFTs are down and markets are down for now. So that was what was happening back then. I was picking them up between about $70, $80 to $100 back then. So the NFT back then, there was so high between about $70, $80 back then. But now they are down. So that was what happened back then. So we heard that when NFT finally come back up and the team will, at least they will implement that again. There was a time a few years back when I bought some NFTs like that, when the NFTs was down, but it happened to be that when the market started coming back up, I flipped them for a good amount of profit. So one of the good things is that at least whenever the market is down, the one you could be able to buy, at least try to make sure that you keep buying. It's very, very important to take profit if you're in profit and buy when the market is down. Yeah, that is what I'm explaining, Usita. Like, yeah, this is the best time to buy. So whenever the market is down like this, but don't think that the market will dip back down more from here. That is because this crypto market usually go with a 4-year cycle. So and if history is on our side, so at least the market should have supposed to drop back down more. Bitcoin is already way too high from $16,000 to 100, at least to $109,000. We just dip back down to like about 30%. So at least if history is on our side, if we go with the 4-year cycle, we will suppose go down between about 60-70%. So, but now the big boys are in this space. Those are the things that have changed. So before now, the big boys they was not in this space. So now only the US spot ETF they're already holding about 1 million Bitcoin plus, which is crazy. That is what about $100 billion. So which is crazy. So before now, so those big boys was not here. So even if the sellers are more than the buyers right now, so but those big boys are still holding a huge amount of Bitcoin. And Michael Saylor alone, so a few years back, he was holding between 100,000 Bitcoin, 200,000 Bitcoin. As of now, Michael Saylor strategy, they are now holding about 528,000 Bitcoin, so which they are not selling. So and you all know that if people are not selling, the market won't be going down. But as of now, so in short term, the market may be down for now, but in the long term, so for sure, Bitcoin will be coming back up. It has a mass supply of 21 million, so that is for sure. So you have to put that in back of your mind. So Bitcoin has a mass supply of 21 million, so the market for sure will be good. Yeah, so with this year, for example, if you bought $10 worth of Bitcoin yesterday, and today you will decide to buy another $10 worth of Bitcoin. So at least even if it's $2 worth of Bitcoin you want to buy, once you have some cash on your side, it's very, very important. Yesterday, the sell-off was crazy, guys. That is the truth. The sell-off was crazy. From 80 from about 87,000 dollars, we dropped back down to 80 82,000. You can see now it's trading at 82,300. So which is crazy. So the sell off yesterday was insane. It's a good time to be in the crypto space right now. But one thing you need to know is that if you can't hold the 10%, if you can't face the 10% dip, or 20% dip, you will be able to please, you will be able to face the 100% prop. That is for sure. So in order for you to be here for Trump is manipulating Iraq. I didn't think so. So you know that when Trump said that he want to add Bitcoin to the reserve, so to US reserve, so Bitcoin was popping so hard. Okay, so Bitcoin was popping so hard when Trump said that he wanted to add Bitcoin to US reserve. But back then, everybody said he was manipulating the market. Now that he's implementing a tariff, so when the market is going down, so people are scared, you get that. So for sure, so something must happen in the crypto space that will bring Bitcoin down. That is for sure. Bitcoin, thing is that the Bitcoin, when the market want to drop, it will drop. So you get that. So, but the big boys are in the space. The big boys are in the space. So you don't have to be fearful. You don't have to be scared. Yeah, the tariff is crazy, man. The tariff is crazy, guys. That is true. So the tariff is going crazy. It's much. It's more than expected. He implemented about 52% in China's goods, and not just China. Taiwan, we implement about 30-something percent, 34, 32% in Taiwan too, which is crazy. So it's absolutely not good for the market. Even if UK, I told you maybe he implement about how much percent in UK? That was about 30% in UK goods. So which I think is good for them. Europe, we implement about 20%. I'm not mistaken, 20% in Europe. So we don't know if how those people will be able to handle that for now. So let's see what they will do. So yes, I'll see you all tomorrow, 6 p.m. Central European time. So always tune in, share the stream with your friends and family for them to learn about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So we'll be able to achieve financial freedom together. So guys, and don't forget, as always, you are smart and intelligent. With crypto, financial freedom we shall all achieve together. So see you all tomorrow, 6 p.m. So always tune in, guys.